Hi, my name is Stephanie Arthur. I am the site coordinator at the Kirtland instructional site. At this site we offer welding certificates, plumbing certificates, and also we have general education, which is mathematics. We also have computer science.
My name is Shanoa Pete, and I'm part of the Navajo Technical University plumbing program. It's a great opportunity for women to join the program for plumbing. They're very encouraging. This semester was really good. I'm glad to have taken hand in it.
Hi, my name is Orville Muzzy, graduating from NTU Plumbing Certificate. I learned a lot of things, water heaters especially.
And if you want a tour, we can also give you a tour. We are located 40 on Road 2580, Kirtland, New Mexico, 87417. The office number is area code 505-609-5020. Thank you.